Assalamualaikum and very good evening, class.
Waalaikumsalam, sir.
Salam,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Salam, sir.
Okay, how are you guys today?
Feeling great.
Alhamdulillah, good, sir.
All
Good.
right, good. Okay, so yeah, I know we've just come back from our school holiday, right? So, how was your school holiday?
Doing
Ah,
nothing, sir.
doing nothing. Okay, I see. I hope you guys have such a wonderful holiday. Okay, but today we will start our school session. So, yeah, I understand you guys are still in the holiday mood. So we will start with a simple and basic topics lah, right? Okay, so first of all, thank you. We have Afiq, we have Ali, Afif, Ashraf, and Aidil. Thank you so much for attending our class for today. Sorry, but I have to make this as an online class since I have a private meeting with the mathematics teacher from Paris. As you can see, I'm in Paris right now. Okay, sir. So for our topic today, we will touch about chapter 10, which is perimeter and area. But I will start with simple and basic, which is perimeter. Okay, so let's start our class today. So for the learning objective, what you will get by attending to my class today is you will understand the basic concept of perimeter and how to find perimeter. Second one, you will know the formulas of perimeter for the basic shapes. And lastly, you guys will able to solve problems related to perimeter. Okay, so what is perimeter? Can anyone tell me in simple word what is perimeter?
Total length, sir.
May I try, sir?
Yes, Ali, you can try. Circumference of an object. Yes, that's correct. That's in a very simple word, Ali. Good try. And it is a correct answer. So let's go deep dive into the deeper. What is the perimeter? So perimeter. The perimeter of a shape is defined as the total distance around the shape. It is the length of the outline or boundary of any two-dimensional geometric shape. The perimeter of different figures can be equal in measure depending upon the dimensions. So just what like Ali have said just now, perimeter is circumference of a shape, or we can say it is a total measurement of the shape by counting the outline of the two-dimensional geometric shape. So there are several basic shapes that you need to know, because if you know the basic shapes, then you will know how to answer the hard question. So first of all, before I start, let's see what is the difference between area and perimeter. So area is the region occupied by a closed shape in a two-dimensional plane, and it is measured in square units. However, perimeter is the length of the outer boundary of a closed shape, and it is measured in units. So from here, we can see that area is the total count of the inside shape, and it is measured in square units, while perimeter is the length of the outer shapes, only for the outer shapes, okay? And it is measured in units, not square units, okay? So let's see what are the basic shapes that we can find perimeter. And we can see the formula also. So the first shape is square. So as we can see, how to find the perimeter of square, we can find by adding all of the side. Since we know square have equal side, so we will have s plus with s here, and then plus with s here. Or we can say 4 times s, since the value of s, the value of length of side, will be equal to all side, since it is square, right? Okay, so the first shape, can you guys understand me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Can you guys follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's get into another shape, which is rectangle. So the rectangle is quite similar to the square, but it has a bit difference, which is the length and the width is not the same. The length will be, it can be the length will be more, in Malay we call panjang, or long. Yes, sorry, I forgot. The length can be long than the width, or the width can be long than the length. So, however, the length will be same with the other side of length, and the width will be same with the other side of width. Hence, we can say that the perimeter of rectangle is L plus W plus W, which is length plus width plus width. Okay, so next shape is trapezoid. Trapezoid, from the picture here, you can see that there is many many alphabet, which is we have A, we have B, we have H, and we have S. But for perimeter, it is very easy. You don't need to be confused. You just need to focus on the S alphabet, which is we need to plus all of the length of the side, which means all of the S. But for trapezoid, the S value can be different from each side. It is, as you can see, S for A for the upper and S for B for the lower, it will not be same since it is a trapezoid. Okay, so the perimeter is still same. All four sides are added together in order to find the perimeter of trapezoid. Next shape will be circle. Circle have the unique formula and you need to remember. So the formula to find perimeter of circle, or we can say the circumference of the circle, is 2 pi r. Okay. So can anyone tell me what does the r stands for?
Radius.
Yes, thank you. R is for radius. Radius is the length from center to the side of the circle. Hence, we will times with 2 and pi, then we will get the perimeter of a circle, or we can say the circumference of the circle. Okay, you have next shape. Yes, next shape is triangle, and it is same goes to the trapezoid, even though you can see there is many alphabet, which is H for height and B for base. You don't need to be confused. For perimeter, it is very, very easy. You just need to add all the sides, which have 3 sides here, and then we get the perimeter. But not to remember, the S can be same or cannot be same according to the triangle given, all right? So next, I think this is the last shapes for today. It is rhombus. So similar to triangle and trapezoid, don't be confused with height and base, since the height and base will be used in the area, but not in the perimeter. In the perimeter, it will stay as all 4 sides added together in order to become perimeter of a rhombus. All right, so far so good. Do you have any questions?
Oh, yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So
Okay.
far so good, sir.
All right, so you guys can follow what I have taught you today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, good. Now let's take a look at a couple of example. So example 1, if the length of the side of a square is 11 meter, then find its perimeter. This question is kind of easy. So can anyone tell me what is the answer for this question?
I
Maybe-
think, can I try, sir?
Yeah, who? Who just now?
Afiq.
Okay, good, Afiq. You can give it a try.
I think the answer is 44.
44. Are you sure that's the answer, Afiq? How do you get the answer?
Because square have same length. Therefore, 11 times with the side of square, which is 4, we got 44.
All right, great. Let's take a look at the answer. Yes, correct, Afiq. The answer is 44 meter. So just like Afiq said, the side of square is 11 meter and square have 4 equal sides, which is also all the sides will be 11. Hence, we can calculate by 11 times 4, which is 44 meter. Okay, good, Afiq. Thank you. Now, let's take a look at the second example. Okay, find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose side length is 3 cm. Okay, now, this question is kind of tricky because it is triangle, not square. So can anyone tell me what the answer is?
Can I try, sir?
Yes, sure, Afif. Go on.
Maybe 10?
10. Okay. Can anyone else try?
Me, sir.
Yes, Ashraf.
Is the answer 9 centimeter?
So we have two different answer, which is 9 centimeter and also 10 centimeter. So let's see what is the correct answer. Yes, Ashraf is correct. The answer is 9 centimeter. But good try, Afif. It was not wrong if you get the wrong answer because, yeah, we learn from our mistakes, right? So based on the question, the given side of equilateral triangle is 3 cm. We need to know that equilateral triangle means all sides are equal, which means all 3 sides for the triangle is 3 cm. Thus, we can do 3 times 3 and we will get 9 centimeter. Okay, good try, Afif. And good job, Ashraf. All right, so I guess that's it for our lesson today. Now we will have a class activity, which is we will have a quizzes session. All right. Okay. Wait for me. I will send the quizzes code in the chat box. Just a second. Okay, I have just sent the link for the quizzes. Can you guys join?
Yes, sir.
All right. So we will have 5 participants here. We already have 4 participants. We will wait for another one. Yes, great. Now all of you 5 are here. So we will start our quiz right now, okay? So be ready. The question is simple and not very hard to answer, okay? Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good luck, everyone. We have 4 participants who have done answer the quiz. Let's wait for our last participant. So are you guys done? Okay. Yes, we can see the final place for the quiz is the first place is Ali, the second place is Ashraf, and the third place is Aidil. Okay, thank you and good job, everyone. I can see that there are still some people that who managed to answer it all perfectly, and also there are people who answer it wrongly. But don't be shy if you answer it wrongly because we will learn from our mistakes. Okay, or give your hand a very good big clap for trying your best. Okay, so before I end our class for today, I want to ask if there is any question?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right, good. Okay, so in conclusion from our class, what we have learned today is we've learned that the perimeter is the total distance around the edge of a shape or the circumference of a shape. So to find it, we just add up all the side of the length. Remember, it is like walking around the shape and adding up the steps. Practice measuring and adding length to master the concept of perimeter. All right? Okay,
Okay,
so,
sir.
okay, good. So that's all from me. So before I end our class, I have one quote for you, which is the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So you need to do the mathematics in order to learn. You can't read it, you can't watch people do it. You need to do it by your own self. Doesn't matter if you're right or you're wrong. You will need to try to get the correct answer and you will learn from it. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Okay, thank you guys for attending.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
assalamualaikum.
Salam, sir.
Bye.